Hello, Rohit.
Hi Rohit.
Hi, Mama.
Hey, Ro.
Hi Ro.
Hello Rohit, what's happening? It's your birthday today, December. What is special in December?
I hope you have a happy birthday, a super extra special day. I wanna wish you happy birthday. May all your dreams come true today. 'Cause you're really one in a million, and you mean the
Rohit, happy birthday.
I've told you this before that you're a very, very special person to me.
So are you turning 16 or 17?
I love you like mad because you're just awesome.
दो लाइनें बोली थी विद्याश्री. He's turning 20, he's turning an adult. मेरा क्यों है वो?
You always take my side whenever we are playing Uno cards or while we are cooking. Like I know I have your back.
तू 16 साल का हो रहा है 17.
अरे वो 20 साल का है अभी तुम मुझे कह रहे हो.
Adult. तुमको adult word use करना है. मेरा क्यों है? रोहित, happy birthday.
Paras, please wait. अच्छा मैं एक बार उतर रहा हूँ. I know you will job me.
Okay, so I'm glad we're doing this on video. There are very few people in this city who actually remind me of somebody from my family. You're turning 19! Oh my god! You're 19, which is great. You have the innocence of a 19-year-old, but you're as smart as any of us. I usually take a lot of time to get close to people. With you, it's been like super quick. I'm so glad to have you in my life, Rohit. Wish you all the happiness in the world. May you have a fantastic year ahead, filled with lots of love, luck, great health, and lots of joy.
He's actually trying to cut his nails, okay? And I think he's cut some part of his skin. After months of telling him to cut his nails, he's finally doing it now. Look at his expression, like wow.
There's no one sweeter than you.
Hey Rohit, a very happy birthday. Best of luck, and you know I'm always there for you. Mwah.
Hey Rohit, wish you a very, very happy birthday. I hope you have a great year ahead, and I love you and all that jazz. And I have a lot of things to say, but I don't know where to start. Just read my mind.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
So, my little one is 19 now. It's your last teen. Oh my god, when did you grow so old, man? I love you.
Hi Rohit, happy birthday. So, I guess the fact that thinking about Jamshedpur 2 years ago still makes me smile. Thanks for being such an amazing friend and making that experience so special. I admire your hard work and hope that you get absolutely everything you want in life. Love you always.
Wish a happy birthday to.
It is unbelievable to think that you are now turning 19. Like now, the way you think, the way you talk, the way you behave, how mature you are. I think you've got this very interesting ability of just making people fall in love with you, and that's the best part. Just look around yourself right now, like in this room right now. You've got friends who love you, and then you've got friends who you've probably known for about a few months. And yet they love you so much. It doesn't really necessarily talk volumes about them. It also speaks about you because you have that quality. You derive love out of people. You bring it out of them because you've got this beautiful, gorgeous heart.
Wish a happy birthday to. There's no one sweeter than you.
Happy birthday, kiddo. No longer a kiddo, a young boy. Have a beautiful year ahead and make many more memories and keep shining. Lots of love, madness, success, new learning, sex, smooches, lip locks.
Hi Rohit. Okay, so I want to tell you that what? Shit, the guy's calling me. 1 second.
आप जानते हो क्या होता है? I wish you a very happy birthday, and I know I should have been there right now, but I so wish I was there right now. बहुत ट्राई किया मैंने, Paras knows, and you're 19 now, बड़ा हो गया है, legal for a lot of things. Just focus on your career and enjoy your life. I love you like mad because we share a totally different kind of a bond. You're the younger brother I never had. I love you and I miss you. Bye.
Mama. Mama. Hi, Mama. Happy birthday. God bless you. I love you 10 much. I love you 100 much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Rohit, wish you a very happy birthday! Rohit, we love you so much. You're really very special for us. Henna? You are Tiara's favorite and my favorite too. Pitu, shh, Pitu, shh.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. Hi Rohit, happy birthday loser. You're an amazing friend, a great cook and a lovely person, and I think that's a very rare combination to find in one person. I think I'm really lucky to have you as a friend. Those shisha times, those night stays, those sandwiches, those chocolate milkshake, I'll never forget them. I wish you all the happiness in life and you become the most famous actor ever. I love you Rohit, have fun.
So, Mr. Rahul Sinha from 12C Loyola School, wish you a very happy birthday again.
And happy birthday and happy growing up.
And it seems like yesterday, not really yesterday, that we had that great party in Jamshedpur on your birthday.
What fun.
A lot of fun. I hope that the film releases soon, man, and we can continue having that kind of fun, because you'll need a lot of money for that kind of fun. So happy birthday once again from the two of us, and have a great one, man. Enjoy yourself and freak out.
Hey birthday boy, Rohit here is wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. You are one of those rare 19-year-olds who is extremely matured for his age, very well put together, knows exactly what he's doing. And I hope you always stay that way, and I hope that gets you a lot of success, and I'm sure it will. 19-year-old birthday resolution to tell the difference between pilots and cabin crew. So Rohit, pilot, wings. Cabin crew, half a wing. You take it easy, kiddo. Happy birthday. Bye.
Rohit, happy birthday.
What's up? Well, talking about Rohit, I've known him from toddler age. So he's been a very, very, very notorious kid. And I still remember when he was a kid and I and Ankit used to bully him so much. All my good wishes is with you. All my blessings is with you. And what else can I say?
Think about it, you're a 19-year-old kid who lives alone in the city of Bombay. You could do any nonsense, and yet somehow your roots are in the place, your value system is in place. Your friends will lie to their parents and say they're with you because even their parents will trust you so much. There is obviously a reason there, because you've managed to create this reputation for yourself that you're a nice guy. I mean, you don't take a shower, but otherwise you're quite nice. You have every single lotion, potion, cream known to man, but otherwise, you're a nice guy.
Show you bubbles!
Rohit says, touch for touch, calls Malvika Maluka. What was the third one? Then he's being already interested first best. He said first best.
Rohit, I've never really done a video to wish somebody happy birthday. But yeah, here we go. Happy birthday, bro. Have a great one.
Happy birthday, Rohit. Happy birthday, Rohit.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Hi, Rodi. Happy birthday. So you've turned 19 finally. It's your last teen year. We became friends about more than a year back. And I know this friendship's going to last a lifetime. I'm always going to be there for you, and you know that. And you're always going to be there for me, and I know that. I hope all your dreams come true. And here's to an amazing year with a lot of happiness, a lot of success, a lot of...
Happy birthday, Mama!
तेरी दीदी सुबह डंडा कर रखी है, कपड़े पहनो, कोट पहनो, विश करना है रोहित को. And you see this. I'm in coat.
Happy birthday!
Have a nice time.
Happy birthday, Rohit. Happy birthday. And God bless you. We are proud of you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. And God bless you. Happy birthday, Mama. And God bless
Well, happy birthday.
Happy 19th.
Happy birthday, Rohit!
Happy birthday to you.